Morning to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Holon Olowo, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. You are welcome once again to this wonderful broadcast and to this unique and beautiful Wednesday morning. Guys, don't forget the Billion Coin community is a community of freedom, love, joy, happiness, thankfulness, abundance, love, and respect. Don't shortchange yourself. Come on board. And don't forget, TBC is not a currency with a mission, but TBC is a mission with a currency. We have a mission to remove the inequality, a mission to eradicate poverty, a mission to give humanity voice, a mission to return abundance to humanity. So, guys, just come on board. I greet every one of us. And don't forget, cryptocurrency will be the biggest thing humanity has seen in the aspect of world creation. And don't forget, also know that TBC will shake and change the world positively by eradicating poverty globally and giving meaning to life and life to humanity. Will you tell the story as a participant or as a spectator? The choice is yours. Don't forget, today by 4 p.m. West African time, we'll be having our mass adoption training with the admin, where we learn about the policies and about everything that concerns TBC. So come on board, come and learn how to be successful and how to gain more understanding of the crypto space. Yeah, you can see that's me. That's Sapphire Jewel. I am Olorun Oluwayede, TBC economic developer, one of the many voices of TBC, a member of the core team and part of the mass adoption campaign. It will interest you to know that I pay my monthly program fee of 8 grains of gold and I collect the reward of 100 TBC monthly. Wow. With my K-Love automatically accruing for me too. And don't forget, look forward to 12th January 2023. That is when our K-Love will be officially released onto everyone by the TBC. And don't forget, it will only be released to members of the core team. So if you want to get yours on that same date, join the core team now before it gets filled up. And I earn Bitcoin bounties regularly. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Guys, it's sweet to earn Bitcoin bounties. It's sweet. So, what about you? Are you maximizing the great opportunity available to everyone in and within the Kringle community? If you are not, well, I beckon on you. Come on board. Join us. There's a link below this video. Click on that link as seen in the screen. Click on that link and join us. Register for free and come on board. There's a lot of abundance available within the Kringle community. So, guys, stop procrastinating. Take action now. You will see that link below this video. Click on that link and join us. Register and join us. Also, there is a Telegram link below it. Click on that link too and join our group. Can come ask any questions that you may have. We have seasoned I recapitulate seasoned tuitions in the house to give answers to your problem. Don't forget, and also note that in TBC, no solution, no problem without solution. Yes, no problem without solution. And to the old members who are coming back on board, you are welcome. Your account is recoverable. So don't lose hope. You can recover your account back. That is TBC for you. Look forward to see you. Don't forget, there is a bell at your right hand side. Click on that bell and subscribe to this channel to always have a first hand notification whenever any video is being uploaded. And don't forget also, click that thumb up, like, and share to your loved ones. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Bye for now.